All right, I got that first log of the whole 12 by 12 building in one tree on the deck. It's too big. It's too big for me to run to the far end of the mill and check where I come out like I like doing. But you could do the same thing by measuring from the concrete to where I need to come out. I need to come out on the far end at 41 inches. So I'm gonna go in here at 42. There's, yeah, I mean, you could look at it. You could see the log is way too big for the mill. I mean, there's just no way it's going to cut through there. So I'm going to have to kind of cut my way into the forest, so to speak. And then as I go through, I'll roll it and roll it and roll it till I get it to a 20. I think it's a 22-inch can, 20-inch can or something like that. I'm not sure. Done forgot. That's the fan I was talking about the other day when I said I had a fan. This is the fan I used to use. It's 12 volt. I have a regular 12 volt battery on my sawmill there, and I took that little one off. And what happened was I had that fan, and I'd leave it out here and it'd get rained on, I think, and it eventually just messed up. Well, now what I just have these little clip-on ones, and I can unplug it, and you know, and I just turn it on like that, and that way it stays good. I don't worry about it. I mean, I don't have to worry about it getting wet and all. This is where I was talking about. I moved all my stuff down here. I just did not, when you, something like, you know, when the mill's low and the log is low, it's not so bad stepping up in there and turning the key and working the choke and doing the throttle, you know, but when you get high, I was having, just like now, I'd have to climb way up in there, work everything up there, plus try to run this, and it's just, that's just not me. I'd rather have it all right here. I moved the choke down here, so everything now I can just do right here. I don't have to get up there and do anything back and forth, back and forth. And if you work a mill that you've got to do that, you know what I'm talking about. But anyway, I'll get this one on there, and I'm just going to work my way through there slow. Not going to be in no hurry. It's kind of hot today. And got me my cold one there, and my Viking chair I made from that cedar tree. Well, one of them I made a bunch of them. These batteries don't last very, you know, that long to begin with. I think they only last an hour, and as hot as it is, they really don't last long, which is, that's okay. I'm gonna be probably cutting a lot of this out anyway.